How can you simplify the renewal deal process? Let me show you. First, we open an existing deal. Then we go to the CloneNer card, click Actions, and choose Templates. We enter the template name and select the object we will use. Next, we move to Additional Properties. A key one here is Create Date. For this property, we choose how the value should behave. We select Set Value. Now we can choose between a static value, tokens, or a calculation. In this case, we use a calculation. For example, we can set the date as contract end date, or we can combine tokens and calculations. There are multiple examples available, so it is easy to follow. We set create date to be based on the contract end date. Next, we go to the amount property and choose not to copy it. We also decide whether to enable or disable don't copy unselected properties, depending on our use case. After that, we add more additional properties. For example, we take contract start date and set it as contract end date plus 1 day. You can add more properties here if needed. Then we choose the pipeline and the deal stage for the new renewal deal. Next, we configure associations. We can keep the relation to the original deal or remove it. We also select any other associations we need. Once everything is ready, we click Create Template or Update Template if it already exists. Now, how do we use this template? We go to Workflows. We create a trigger that enrolls deals when contract end date is today. And the deal stage is closed won. As the next step, we select the CloneNer card and choose Add Templates. We select our template, enter the new deal name, and enroll the workflow. And that is it. Your renewal deals are now created automatically with the right dates, properties, and structure. And this is how you simplify the renewal deal process.